Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. See behind us, we have the truck and she is in pieces. We have a couple goals today for this video. One of them is to put the grill back in. We have some inserts to put in the grill and in the bottom bumper. And then I wanted to explain to you guys why the grill was out. So Sparksmith, awesome guy, man. On all the stuff that we put in this video today, I'll link it all in the description and go check him out. He's completely hooking it up. For some reason my truck did not like any of the fuse taps that we had to run, so we got a new bar grill that is not going to run off of that. It's going to run strictly just from the headlights, I think. There's a harness is a little confusing. We're still trying to figure it out. But once we do that, we should be good. The bar grill in, we'll put the grill in. Well, we got to put the inserts in first. We got to do a couple things, but we're trying to fight the daylight. Y'all hear some banging. Also, actually restoring the trailer he just bought, so they're going to be stepping in and out probably, but let's get to it. Right here, guys, we have our billet grill inserts. Let's go ahead and pull those out. Like I said, I have these for the inside of the grill, and we have the two slots on the bumper, which would be pretty slick. Matching with black, of course. My stupid ass, when I ordered these, I had the 05 grill, realizing that they weren't gonna pan the butt, but that's why we got the new 06 grill. Boys can fit. And then here's the two small ones for the bumper. Moving to the bumper now. It's pretty simple. It's got a little Z bracket. They mount up here at an angle. I got these tightened down. I'll just put them in. Gotta fight over him, but alright y'all, that is what that is looking like. Pretty good. I have some more ideas for this though. It's not just gonna be that, but for right now, looking good. The last step we have to do is just put the bar grill in now. We still have our stock bolts, even though he's freaking awesome and sent me some extra ones. So the best way to do this is actually mount the bar inside the grill, and then we'll take the grill to the truck and figure out how all this wires up. So let's get on it. Time's come, we're better throw it in, make sure that everything's proper, or start trying to secure everything. Alright, I think we got some of the stuff hooked up, now it's time to test. Dude, that is one thing about you that aggravates me most. If you're working on your truck, just leave your key in the truck. Just leave it in there. I don't want nobody stealing it. Nobody wants it. All right.
All right. You're right. It's taking a little while though.
You got it. Oh, are you seeing this?
Go turn your truck.
Please tell me you're seeing this. Why? Oh, dude, I swear to God, this truck, dude, it has something against me. I'm trying to benefit you.
Yeah, now that looks good.
Alright, y'all, she's back in pieces. Only problem that we had is that this light actually held some water. It's got a ton of moisture in it. I got all of it out from having the harness out. We just need to wait for the new one, but we'll try to dry that up over time. But let me show you guys what she looks like. I'm happy with her. Once we get some more light, we'll talk more about this company and show you guys a little more. boy, she is freaking pretty. Try to remember sometimes of like what this truck looked like 6 months ago. A lot of hard work and dedication, help from friends, staying motivated. This is where she sits right now. It is the next day I wanted to come out here and talk to you guys about the truck a little more. Now looking up front, you guys see, once again, Peter's luck. It's alright though, we will fix it, but I now have moisture in both of the bottom of the headlights. Not sure if I said it earlier in the video, but I had no bulbs in it. So the moisture and some water did get into the headlights when we were installing, when we were installing them last night. That light was flickering. I think we had to pour some water out the light. So now they're in, they're a little bit harder to take out now because we have the grill, but let's just pray over time it comes out, which I'm like giving it like 2-3 days. Just gonna try to let it sit in the sun, drive the truck a lot, let the heat from the LEDs and just the motor and stuff try to get in there. But if it doesn't come out, I had to fight this problem with my Tahoe too. These lights do not leak, which is amazing. It's just there's water inside the lights. Even if it's the smallest bit, it's gonna make them fog up like that. So look past that, we'll get that fixed. But giving y'all a nice close-up shot of the front end, and you guys, when I mean this truck just looks so freaking mean to me. It's everything I wanted it to be when I had the idea, and we worked hard and we got it to where we're at. We still have a good amount of things we're gonna do before we start doing some of the bigger things to this truck, but right now I'm gonna enjoy how it does not look like it's a raggedy piece of junk like it has the last 9 months, 6 months, whatever it's been. As my viewers, I really want you guys to listen to this. It would mean a lot. Sometimes when we're doing builds like this, sponsors really do make the big difference. Able to get partnerships and sponsors to be able to help me do what I want to do is amazing. And one of the big ones this year, last year and this year, we're in a new year now, is Sparksmith. I just want to state, guys, that he has just been super nice to me. We've had nothing but problems with this truck. Nothing's been with his products, it's been me, and he's taken a lot of time out of his day on top of his whole freaking business to work with me. We're just gonna jump into this too. You guys see the bar girl right here. He actually sent another one out, guys, so we could put it in the Tahoe. If you guys are new to the channel, that was my first build I ever did. The truck's badass, I love it to death. We'll always keep that thing running and on the road. Well, we haven't really done too much with it because, I mean, we've done a lot. You know, we just bought this cat eye. I want to do some new stuff to it. You guys know my whole front end is green in that, so we actually sent it. We'll get into it, but we'll be installing something with that grill probably in the next video. One great thing about Sparksmith, guys, he doesn't just make like all the features that I'm showing in these videos. He doesn't just make those. This guy has a whole website with nothing but in my opinion, one of the best LED products in the market. I've been with a lot of companies and just me buying. I know about LEDs and the way he designs them and the way they show. I mean, this guy really is just, he's top of the line. So I'm gonna put his stuff down in the description. Go to his website, even if it's just headlights, I mean fog lights, there's LED strips, stuff for your house. I mean, he's got all these products, guys. So like I said, I'm gonna link it in the description. I want you to go check it out. From this point on, most of the LEDs that will be going in my truck will be from Sparksmith because he's just that good. All right, so I want to show you guys a cool feature. Don't mind, I hate how there's freaking fog in those lights, but they're pretty bad. I'm not just looking at it. God damn. Why? This one was good, so why? I don't know. The mystery's overnight. So another cool feature about the bar grill right here is that, actually, let's see if you guys can see it. When I hit unlock, see what it does? It's pretty badass. The front two in the headlight, my mirrors, they have the reverse lights in the back, so that's pretty cool. It lights up the whole truck. And it's actually not working right now because I think it is daytime, but when I hit my lock twice, guys, it actually will do the startup feature when all the lights run in one row. It's badass. When I said I'm gonna put everything down in the description, guys, if you don't even want to go on the website, go to his Instagram, go to his TikTok. He's got, I like to watch things in action, like, because just like if I was to order one of these bars and I just see a picture of it, that's why I'm trying to show you guys some of the features of it. He does all of that on all of his social medias too, so you can actually get first person of what's really going on. You can see with your eyes what his products have to offer. So like I said, we haven't done much with the Tahoe. For the next video, I'm pretty pumped up what we're going to be doing and bringing that truck back. We have a lot of goals this year, guys, and the viewers sticking around with my channel, you guys make it happen for me. Like, you really make it happen. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do this. So keep on supporting me. I really appreciate it, guys. Till next time, Lippin Bass TV.